No.
5 or 6.
Currently about to take an exam. I'm so nervous right now, but I've been studying all night, so I think, fingers crossed, prayers up, it should go well. If you guys saw, this morning has been quite a doozy. I spilled my coffee all over my counter, but it's okay, because I went to Jitters by Jane, and that coffee was way better, honestly.
Caroline, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, how are you?
Taking responsibility of my education is something I really prioritize, so I didn't get a score that I was hoping for on my second marketing quiz of the semester. Unfortunately, my professor allowed me to do a Zoom and kind of just go over everything that I'd missed. I know sometimes it can be intimidating doing office hours with professors, but I promise you, not only does it help you in the long run, but professors actually love when students do this.
Midterms is all done. I feel like I can finally take a breath now. I'm awaiting my grade for one class. It's my commercial law, which I was studying for all last week. A girl was really stressed about that one. It is Parents Weekend here in Boise. And I wanted to show you guys my favorite little bag that I've been bringing everywhere. This is the Coach Mini Terry crossbody bag. Not only does it come with a longer chain to actually make the crossbody, but it also has this adorable gold chain, so I can just put it around my elbow, put it around my shoulder. You get the best of both worlds. That's what I love about it. Also, the fact that it's white is perfect for this season and era that I'm in, because it is wedding season. My bachelorette party is actually next weekend. You better believe I'm gonna be bringing this. Planning for this bachelorette and wedding in general has been so much fun. This bag is perfect for all of life's moments. I think I have pink eye. I don't really know. Maybe if any of y'all are experts and have had whatever is going on here. Yeah, this is not fun. I was in Salt Lake City for Red West Festival. I drove down yesterday, Friday, went to the whole festival, made the most out of it, and I got to see Ella Langley, Midland, Ian Mansick, and then Casey Musgraves. Fire lineup. It was absolutely incredible, and I went with my best friend. Spent the night in Salt Lake City, got an Airbnb, drove back this morning, but something about, I don't know if it's like how dry it was there, but my eye just totally reacted, and then I woke up this morning and it was glued shut, like totally glued shut. Anyways, my bachelorette party is next weekend. Cannot wait to wear this. It's the most perfect bridal inspired outfit. Are you kidding me? How gorgeous is this? My parents and I are gonna be doing a little taste test. We're gonna cut them into 3s because it's like one long log. Should we start with like
chocolate? I would say just for mine, a very small piece, just because I'm gonna have a yasso too.
No, we have a yasso tomorrow.
Tell them what a yasso is.
It's the best frozen yogurt dessert. Healthy.
Healthy. My dad loves yasso bars. These are so cute. It's like little loaves of bread. This one is lemon cake with lemon buttercream icing.
Frosting's amazing.
Moist, lemony.
This is a lemon cake if I ever.
Yeah, that's very good.
Oh my gosh.
Yum.
Cake part reminds me of angel food cake.
So this is lemon and lemon?
Yeah, if you like lemon, that's the one.
Next, we'll do chocolate because Dad likes chocolate.
I think we should do chocolate last.
And that will be gas.
That will be gas.
I think we should do the chocolate last.
Dad wants chocolate, so Dad gets chocolate.
Okay, I just want a small piece.
This one's for Griffin.
This one's for Griffin. Griffin, if you're watching this, my dad will be acting for you.
I'm a chocolate guy too, so.
Okay, I'm giving you the big one, Dad.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, the cake
Very
is
good.
phenomenal.
There's like baby chocolate chips in here. I don't know if y'all could see it earlier. Oh, it's like is it mousse? Like a mousse frosting? Or
The frosting is amazing.
I could eat
Wow.
a whole tub of this.
But the cake is so moist.
Yeah.
That's fire.
number one right now for me.
That's number one for me too.
There's 2 more to try, guys.
Should we do strawberry cake with lemon icing or lemon cake with strawberry icing?
The strawberry seems to be popular.
Let's do strawberry cake.
Strawberry cake? She said, let's do the one you don't want.
Right?
Okay. I haven't really spoken a lot about my wedding in general. There's a lot of moving factors with having to plan this in a state that I don't even live in.
And a college student.
And yes, college student. But I will say, for the most part, I feel very, very blessed because we've gotten a lot of help from family members and just like people in our community. My mom knows Miss Kristen, the one who was kind enough to make these samples. But my best friend, Mary Margaret, is gonna be doing my small wedding cake. And we also have friends from our church back in Austin who have like an 8-piece live band. And so we will be doing a live band at the wedding, and I'm very excited.
I'm ready.
Mm.
Very good too.
Well,
I love strawberry cake.
definitely, yeah, you can definitely taste the strawberry.
They're all good in their own way.
Yeah.
I'm curious to see the reverse of this though.
All right.
Like
Let's
what-
try it.
And now it's reversed.
This icing is so good. Also, the Kreckelbergs, which is a husband and wife photographer videographer duo, is gonna be filming and shooting our wedding. And I've worked with them in the past, ironically, for a bridal inspired shoot in Idaho. And they said, like way back when, they were like, if you ever get married, like let us know. And so it's just only fitting to be working with them.
All right. This one
this
is
is the
reversed.
reverse.
Lemon cake with strawberry icing.
I think I kind of like that better. I don't know, I need to try both again.
The strawberry cake has more, I think, strawberry taste. I think.
This could be like rosy vanilla.
Right.
Wait, can I like do all 4? These are awesome.
You can. Yeah.
I feel like these are too similar where I would need to do like maybe a
just pick
vanilla.
One of
one.
them.
Very good.
So would you do just do 2 or 3 flavors?
I do think it would be cool.
And then there's the yasso.
Clearly, we could literally all have cavities by the end of the night. It is like 4 days of me recovering from pink eye. I think it looks fine. Honestly, I hope that my fiance's dad doesn't see this because he's a doctor. He's the one that told me I had pink eye and he said don't wear contacts or makeup. But I did wear makeup. But I had some stuff to do today and unfortunately, I just get that little extra boost of confidence when I do have my makeup done. Here's my little outfit of the day. Alana flew in from Austin. She's been here for like 2 days. She's on the phone right now, so I'm gonna try to be kind of quiet. But this was my school fit today. Jeans are from Paige. Bottom top is from Brandy Melville, and then the sweater is from Old Navy. I was in class all day from 12 to 4:15, and Alana and McKenna went to the store because tomorrow we're leaving for my bachelorette party. Now that I'm all done with school, Alana and I are gonna go to a Pure Barre class, and I need to make like a little pre-workout snack. Check out this pre-workout snack. We got a rice cake, almond butter.
Oh, rice cakes are so good. I haven't had them in so long. That was like the shit though.
It's so good with like some honey on top.
What?
Oh, it's good. It's good.
Wait, what time do we need to leave? And then right now, Caroline's about to go take me to a bar class. Yeah, I've never done this before, so.
It's gonna be so fun.
No, yeah, that's
And then how he landed in scarves of all things.
We're painting pumpkins. This is the one that I chose. Her stem got cut off.
Mine kind of looks like a bun cake. Look at that.
It is like a little bun cake. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but
You do. No, I'm not telling you.
found this cute jacket. We're gonna try it on. Here, I'll show you. Yeah. Oh my god, it's like Coraline. Like, do you know what that's really cute. That's cute. Oh, that's. You don't wash it. Like.
handsome fiance all over my body. I'm thinking here, here,
And then your back.
here,
Yeah.
and then maybe here so that when I'm like, look how cute he is.
We are going to Rupert's on the lake for dinner at 6 o'clock.
Never been.
Never been.
Really excited. The veil is going on, ladies.
Did that hurt?
No, it doesn't feel like anything.
Oh, okay, good.
Wait. Let me see.
That's because you need
Ooh. Cute?
She's a bride, hella.
Check this out.
Oh yeah.
Somewhere in Vietnamese, I don't care. I don't.
It's so sweet. Oh my god, now I'm crying.
'Cause it's just you and me.
Do you like the eyeball?
No, I love it. That's why I was laughing.
Isn't strong enough to convince me that this is real.
Which one? Yeah. Wait, you put my nose out of the way. And it's little.
Somewhere we've never been. Stuck on a mountain down in Sheffield. Running for the bus again. Maybe we'll just stay here. The coffee sucks, but I've not thought about leaving yet. You can quit that job you hate.